Rainbow colors. Do you know your colors? Let's find out. Today, we're testing your rainbow knowledge in a fun and exciting quiz. Are you ready to name all the colors as fast as you can? Let's go! First, let's quickly review the colors of the rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. These colors appear in this exact order because of how light bends when it passes through water droplets. Cool, right? Here's a fun fact: did you know that rainbows are actually full circles? We just see the top half because the ground blocks the rest. Alright, quiz time. I'll show you one color at a time, and you'll have 5 seconds to guess which one it is. Ready? Let's start. Which color is this? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. The answer is red. Did you get it right? Awesome. Do you know this color? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is orange. Great job. Which color is this? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's right. It's yellow. You're doing amazing. Can you guess this color? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you guess it? It's green. Fantastic. Which color is this? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is blue. You're rocking this quiz. Which color is this? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's indigo. That's a tricky one, but I bet you got it. Which color is this? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the final color is violet. You did an amazing job. That was so much fun. How did you do? If you got all 7 colors, give yourself a big round of applause. Recognizing colors isn't just fun, it's super useful in art, fashion, and even science. So, keep those color skills sharp. Thanks for joining me on this colorful adventure today. Remember, the rainbow is always brighter when we know its colors. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more fun quizzes, and share this video with your friends to see if they know their colors. Until next time, keep shining like a rainbow.